Hey YouTube, take a look at my brand new toy, this Realme 7 Pro Android smartphone. The exact model is RMX 2170 and it's equipped with a Snapdragon 720G processor, 64 megapixel Sony quad camera and 65 watts of superdart charger, 128 gigs of storage. Let's open the box and see what we have in it. So first we have this nice looking protective case, some manuals, and this is the phone itself. This is the Sony quad camera. The color is mirror blue. Another manual, USB-C charging cable, and the superdart charger. So let's take off this protective foil. Speaker, USB-C charging port, microphone, 3.5mm audio jack, and let me turn off the flash. And the battery is almost dead, so I have to put it on charge. We have 32 megapixel front camera, and this is the Realme user interface. Another interesting thing to mention is that the phone comes not only with this silicone case but with the screen protector already installed. Unfortunately, I've discovered this shortly before installing my own screen protector. So currently the phone is with two screen protectors. You can see them both over here, and the mine is a little bit shorter. Also, the original is noticeably thinner, but yet again it's a nice feature, nice compliment from Realme to sell you the phone with silicone case and screen protector already installed. The phone is equipped with a stereo system, and the first speaker is over here, while the second is utilizing the earphone speaker of the device. I should mention that the sound quality is pretty nice and loud enough. The fingerprint sensor installed in the display is working fairly quickly. Lastly, I should mention that the superdart charging is really, and I mean really fast. Let me demonstrate you how fast it's charging this telephone. Look how rapidly is the battery charging. Of course, to utilize this feature, you have to use the original cable provided with the telephone, which is a little bit thicker than a standard USB cable. You can see the difference here. I should mention that the quad camera is performing amazingly well. I will attach some example photos and videos in the end of this review, but for a such low price, the camera is amazingly good.